Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency using BitBay, and the best part of it is that your transaction fees will be really low. It will be 0.43%, including transaction fees for sending the money to BitBay from your bank account and buying Bitcoin. So it's extremely low compared to Coinbase, where for example you have to pay 3.5 or 4.5% of the transaction. So let's start. First of all, you need to go to BitBay. You will find a link in the description of this video, so all you have to do is click on it and then you will be taken to BitBay website. If you don't have an account here, you will have to click on register, and after that you have to register your account. Once you're done with registering your account, you can click login, and after you click login, you will be taken to the dashboard of your account. And over here we can see dashboard and available markets, the history, available wallets, etc. And what we need to do first is over here to click on wallets. After we click on wallets, over here we've got all the currencies available, Bitcoin, Euro, etc, etc. So let's say you're living in Europe and you want to send money in Euro. We would click over here on Euro. After that we click over here on Euro account, and once we do this, we make sure that deposit is selected over here, and then we've got two options: card payment and bank transfer. Card payment, if we click over here, card payment is instant, so this is the advantage, but disadvantage of card payment is that the fees start from £2 per transaction. Yes, so depends on the amount of transaction, we will have to pay at least £2 of the fees. That's why I'm not going to show you how to do it, although if you want instantly your money to arrive to BitBay, all you have to do is add your card and then write the amount that you need to send, hit OK, confirm it, and done. Within few seconds or few minutes, the money that you want to send will appear on your account. However, in this video, I'm going to show you and explain in more details how to deposit your money to BitBay using bank transfer. Because if we use bank transfer, it's completely free. We don't have to pay anything for sending our money from our bank account to BitBay account. And once we get the money on our BitBay account, we can easily buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies. So let's focus on this option for now. First of all, you need to go to your bank, log into your account, and then go to sending a transfer. And once you do this, you will have to fill those fields in the transfer. So the number of the account that we're sending the money to is called IBAN. So we need to copy this field and then paste it in our bank in the right field. All you have to do next is copy the SWIFT account and paste it in the right field in your bank when you're sending the transfer. Then we have to write the right recipient name. So we have to make sure that this name is copied, so we click over here and then we paste it in our bank account in the right field that says recipient name. Next thing we need to copy is recipient address, so we just click here to copy the address and then we paste it, of course, in the right field in our bank transferred settings. And the last thing that we need to do is to make sure that transfer title is exactly the same as we see over here, so we copy this and then we paste this transfer title in the right field. And a very important thing is that we need to make sure that the first over here IBAN number is correct, recipient name should be correct, and transfer title. The first two, IBAN and recipient name, it's important that we make sure that these two are correct, because this is the account number where we are sending the money. Yes? So if you write incorrect, it will be sent to the wrong account. So make sure that those two are correct. And the most important part is transfer title. This title over here is connected to your account on BitBay exchange. That means if you send money to the given account over here, when the money arrives, it will check what is the title, the transfer title, and then it will automatically transfer those funds to your account. Yes, so make sure that you put this transfer title when you send the money. All you have to do is copy it and then paste it in the field that says transfer title or title, and then you can easily send the money, and the money should get to your account within a few minutes or few hours, depends on what time are you sending this transfer. The longest you'll have to wait for the transfer to arrive is probably approximately 48 hours. My transfer usually show up within 2 to 3 hours, so hopefully it will be the same for you. And once the transfer is completed, once they get the money to the proper account, it will be showed in your euro balance over here. Or if you chose different currency, you could also choose USD, PLN or any other currency that is available on the list. That would be showed, of course, on a different balance over there. So once we get the money, let's say we got 1 euro, as you can see here, and we want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. In order to do that, we need to go to exchange over here. Once we get to exchange, we need to choose which currency we want to buy. So we need to choose it up here. So we click here. Then from the list over here, we choose if we want to buy currency based on Euro, PLN, USD or Bitcoin, for example, or we can click here and choose GBP or stablecoins. So let's say I'm going to choose Euro and then what currency we want to buy, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Lisk, etc. So I'm gonna choose Bitcoin. As you can see, it's already saying Bitcoin/Euro. And now all we have to do is down here to choose for which rate we want to buy Bitcoin. The rate is shown over here. This is the latest transactions. So all we have to do is copy the rate over here. We can paste it here. And let's say we want to buy for this rate. Or maybe I want to buy for a lower rate. Let's say I want to buy for 8,200 euro. Then over here we would write how many Bitcoins we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 5, we would put 5 over here. And then down here we will have the price that we have to pay for that. Of course, as you saw, I have only 1 euro at the moment on my account, so I will not put 5. What we can do over here is to click buy all, and then it will automatically put the price for which we want to buy. So in this case it would be 1.06 euro. And then over here it would show how many Bitcoins are we going to buy, and this is the amount that we're going to receive. Of course, you can change it down here and put 0.5 euro and then you would buy half of the amount or any other amount we want. So I'm going to put 1.06 as originally. And once everything here is filled, all we have to do is click buy. As soon as we click buy, our order should show up over here. As you can see, there is a red message that the minimum amount of transaction is 5 euro. So in this case it wasn't added. Let me change it to PLN. So I've already changed it to PLN currency because I have a little bit more of it. So one more time, over here we type in what is the rate that we want to buy for. So as you can see, the latest rate in this currency is 36,400. Let's say I want to buy it for 35,000. Then over here we would type in amount of Bitcoin that we want, or over here for how much we want to buy it. So let's say I'm gonna write for 10 PLN, and then over here it will show how much are we going to get, how much are we going to receive to our account after buying. When everything is set up, we click buy, and once we do this, as you can see, there is success. Our offer was added, and once our offer is added, we can see it over here. So as you can see here, it says that I want to buy Bitcoin for the rate of 35,000 and I want to buy this for this price or this amount of money. And so this is how we buy Bitcoin. Of course, if the price goes lower to 35,000, my Bitcoin will be bought. However, as you can see, the latest rate is 36,400. So if you want to make sure that you buy Bitcoin almost immediately, you should put a rate that you see as the last rate over here or a little bit higher. Then your transaction will become automatically realized, it will be successfully filled, and you'll receive your Bitcoin to your account. So that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments if you managed to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency using this method. And also let me know in the comments which cryptocurrencies in your opinion have the biggest potential in 2020 and 2021. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.